Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Yes, it's weekend. Today, in the daily newspaper of Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, October the 21st, 2023. Not so great news here. We have here two regular puzzles. The Medium Sudoku. I will solve this in a minute. And tomorrow evening we have here the Samurai Sudoku. 5 Sudokus merged into a one whole big Samurai Sudoku. And we have here a puzzle page of the Saturday edition. 6 extra puzzles. 3-star Sudoku, another 3 stars. Then we have a killer Sudoku, 2 binaries, 10 by 10, and a tectonic. But we have in this newspaper no additional. Let me show you, no additional. No extra extra puzzles additional for Sunday. Well, what they will do is the rest of the puzzles of the Saturday edition, I will solve those. There are 2 left, and I will also solve the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition. Alright, so no additional. Alright, let me start with this one. Yes, daily Sudoku practice continues again. Yes. This one will be number I believe 7308. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has I've not counted yet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 26 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But 26, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in additional, it will be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 2 goes there. 2, 2, okay. Then 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Then. How about 2, 2, 2, 2? Nope. Yeah, I'm thinking. 5, 5, okay. 3, 3, alright. 6, 6, okay. 2, 2. 3, 3. And well. Need a 4 here. Come on. What's happening? 9. Yeah. We have a 9 here. Well. Need a 1. Need a 9 here. 193. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hidden number. Yeah, we got you the hidden number. Because this number cannot be a 1, should be a 2, can be a 3, can be 4, can be 5, can be 6, can be 7, can be an 8, can be a 9. Yes, definitely a 2, the hidden number. 2. 2, 2. Okay. Need a 2 there. Okay, 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, only 3 place level 2 should be here, or there. We see a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. Yeah, 2 in the third row, no 2 there. So the only place level 2 should be there. Need a 2 here, need a 2 there. And I need a 2 here. Yeah, 2 in the last row. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the middle column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So on that row, the only 2 place left for the 2 should be here or there. See, 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. I think here should be an 8. Let me check. For the hidden number, can it be a 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be a 4, can be a 5, can be 6, can be 7, should be an 8, can be a 9. Yes, hidden number 2. Yeah, this should be an 8. Okay. 3 and 9. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2, 8, 6. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8. And look, we have a 2 and a 6 in the middle column, so no 2, 6 in this box. 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in this big square for number 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8, 8, okay. 3, 1, 5. 5, 5, 3, 1, 5. Okay. Come on. 3, 3. 1, 1, 1. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 here. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. Well, we have a 9 in the first column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. And 9 in this row, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. 9, 9. Okay. Here also 9, 9. 5, 6, 2, 9. Come on. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes. In this row, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 and a 6, we have a 6 now. In this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there. And all the 6s are used. I can't see. This is number 1, number 6. Alright. Then the 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2. Alright. 7. Let me see. 4 and a 7. 4, 4, 4. Interesting. Need a 3 here. And I need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Come on. 1. Need a 3 here. 1, 5, 8. 1, 5, 8. 3 missing numbers in this row, the middle row. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 5, 8. 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8. And look, we have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. Here and 8 in the middle column, so no 8 there. So the only place left 8 should be there. So the 1 and a 5 are left. 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright, 7. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. The 4 goes there. 7. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this second row, so no 4 there. Here, 4 in this column, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 4 should be here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 in the second row, no 4 there, so the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the last row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used, I can see. This is number 3, number 4, okay. Then. How about. Yeah, I need 1 here. 1. Yeah, 1 box left in this column for number 1. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers are 1. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 in this box. Here, 1 in this column. First column, no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1. Okay. Cannot continue with 1 now. 3 and 5. 2 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in the last column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 9 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes here. Also 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. Cannot fill this yet. Here also 3 and the 7 in the first column. We have a 7 in the first row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row, so the row between the second row. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. Here, 7 in this first row, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Shoot me there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row, so the row between the second row. Only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column. Third column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left in the second column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 5 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, told you I need 15 to 20 minutes for a 2 stars puzzle. Definitely 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again in the evening with other 4 puzzles in the puzzle page of the Saturday edition. Until then, bye-bye for now.